The DJI Avata is a popular drone that has received mixed reviews. Some reviewers praise its ease of use and durability, while others criticize its price and limited flight time. Here are some of the key points from the reviews. Pros: easy to use. The Avata is a great option for beginners, as it is very easy to fly. Durable. The Avata is built to withstand crashes, making it a good choice for those who are new to FPV flying. Good camera. The Avata has a good camera that can capture high-quality photos and videos. Cons. Price. The Avata is expensive, especially when compared to other FPV drones. Limited flight time. The Avata has a limited flight time of about 18 minutes, which can be frustrating for some users. Motion sickness. Some users have reported experiencing motion sickness while flying the Avata. Overall, the DJI Avata is a good drone for beginners who are looking for an easy-to-use and durable option. However, it is important to be aware of its limitations, such as its price and limited flight time.
Got a feeling in my soul.